Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to JHCTECH New Product Launch webinar. And my name is Chi, and I will be your host today. And today we are really excited to share our latest product with you. So in this session, we will be introducing our new robot controller, the BRAV-7823, based on the Intel Core Ultra 3 series. And so, as you may have noticed, feels like a humanoid robotic and embodied AI are developing very quickly. So as a result, the requirement for robot controllers are becoming much higher than before. So we are seeing increasing demand for such like more computing power, lower power consumption, better reliability, or greater flexibility. But at the same time, space inside robots is extremely limited. So traditional controllers are often too big and not easy to integrate. So the real question is, how can we deliver strong performance in such a compact design? And that's exactly why we developed the BRAV-7823. Okay, next page. Yeah, here. Okay, so here is our agenda for today. So we will walk you through the key features of the BRAV-7823, so you can understand our main advantages and the design highlights. And also, we will have a live Q&A session. So if you have any questions during this webinar, feel free to drop them in the chat box at any time, and we will come back to them later. Okay, so without further ado, let me pass it over to our customer solution manager, Reese, and she will take you through all the details. Please welcome Reese.
Okay, hi everyone, I'm Reese. Today I will take a detail of our new robot controller, the BRAV-7823. Okay, it will covers Panther Lake, platform, and roadmap, the key features and the markets. Okay, let's begin with the new platform. With the new Intel platform, the Panther Lake. It is the high AI performance solution, and use the with the third generation Z graphic, and about the core, the CPU is up to 60 cores, and the GPU use the third generation Z cores, can up to 12 cores. Okay, it's the processor table, the SKUs table. We can check the cores and threads, the P cores, the P tops, and it's used in it is based on the Intel Arc B series GPU, and it's the Z cores is a table of the CPU. We can take a look different model of the Ultra processor. Okay, let's focus on the roadmap of our new product. We can show this picture from the progress from our old Intel Coffee Lake platform, like BRAV-7523 to our new product here, the BRAV-7823, and it is equipped with Intel Panther Lake platform. Okay, let's focus on the key features. The specifications. Let's begin with the CPU. The CPU, currently we have two solutions, the Ultra 5 and the X7. About the memory, it can support dual-channel LPDDR5X, the onboard memory up to 64 GB. And about the line port, it has six Intel i210 line port and use IX6 and it is IX61G2 connector. About the display port, it's the mini HDMI port. The USB port is Type-C, have three Type-C USB ports. And about other I/O interface like GMSL, you can connect the cameras. It has four GMSL2 port and other interface like serial port, 4-channel serial bus and two CAN bus. 8-channel DIO port and other like the audio port, one line out and one mic. About the expansion, it has M.2 E key and B key slots, so you can install the function module like the Wi-Fi 4G module. And about the SSD, it can support NVMe storage. The power input is DC 9 to 36 voltage. Okay, it's the key feature. Is the specification parameters. Okay, the next is the I/O interface panel. The I/O panel. Let's look at this picture. It's the power connector, 4 GMSL2 connector, and a mini HDMI, 3 Type-C USB port, and it's the line port. In the front, it has 4, and other and a 2 line port in the rear panel. And it's the MIO port. It integrated 4 serial bus, 8-channel DIO, and 2 I2C bus. And it's the antenna. You can, it can support the Wi-Fi or 4G signal. It's the audio port, a mic, a line out, the speaker, and 2 CAN bus in this connector. Okay, the next is the dimensions. The main chassis is measured by 130 by 130 and 112 by 87 millimeter. It's really small size. You can see the small size. It's very suitable for the humanoid and the robotic. Okay. Next is the ordering information about the, we have two options. One is the Ultra 5 60 memory, 60 GB memory, and other is Ultra X7 CPU with 32 GB. And other is the power adapter information. And other the cable, the network cable, because we use the line part is okay, sorry. The line part is use the IX61G2 connector, so we will have this line network cable. And this Type-C cable, the camera cable. Okay. Next is the key features of our new product. Let's begin with the CPU platform. It is based on Intel 18A Progress technology. A 50% increase over the Lunar Lake and Arrow Lake. So it has lower power consumption and higher energy efficiency. About the operating system, it can support Windows, Linux, and mainstream's RT system. It's the toolkit. It can support like OpenVINO, Windows ML, DirectML, RT. Okay. Next is the consumption, the high energy efficiency. We can look at these two options. The Ultra 7, the CPU is 8 TOPS, and the GPU Arc B series iGPU. So the total AI performance can up to 108 TOPS. The system power only 60 volt, and so it can get an efficiency of 3 TOPS per volt. And another solution is the Ultra 5. The CPU is 5 TOPS, and the GPU, added the GPU TOPS, the total performance can up to 150 TOPS. It can get an efficiency of 3.3 TOPS per volt. The system power only has 45 volt. Okay, the next is the memory, the high-speed memory design. It is on board, two options, 60 GB and 35 GB. And it also supports embodied ECC. Okay, let's focus on this automotive design. About the camera part and the line part, it used the automotive grade standard. And about the CAN bus and the L bus, it is insulated protection. And it can support 12 below 0 to 50 degree operating temperature. And it is IP51 protection rating. Okay, it's the I/O panel. We have already take a detail of the I/O interface earlier. Okay, next is let's focus on the structure design. It's a smaller size, the smaller size. So based on the compact size, it is very suitable for humanoid and the robotic. It's space-saving design. We can look at this picture, the small controller in the humanoid central control and the robotic. Okay, next is the market. Based on the smaller size, and it is very easy to manage and maintain. So it's very suitable for the robotic, the humanoid robots, and our line pod and CAN pod, DIO pod, the serial pod, are used automotive grade design. So it can be used in the automotive driving, and it has the GMSL2 camera pods, so it's very suitable for the intelligent transportation, like the highway detection applications. Okay, next is application about BV Caesar. It's a demo of the smart in traffic. So we can it can be used in the highway detection. Okay, that's for my presentation today. Next is the Q&A part.
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Liz. Now our Q&A session, and in chat box, I see there's a 3 question. Okay. The first question is the memory soldered, or can you upgrade on a later stage of testing? I think.
Yes, I can see the question. Now we only have
the question and the answer is.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now now we only have 2 options. One is 60 GB and 32 GB. Okay, the next is which CPUs are
I think you are correct one, because there's a two different CPUs.
Now we have also have 2 options. One is the Ultra 5 338H, and another is the Ultra X7 358H. Okay, the next question is
Next question is to use this.
Yes, because we use the special line port connector. So if you the switch is the RJ445 port, you will use this cable to transfer. Do we have this on hand? Oh, sorry. Now, I haven't the photo, but I can send you later in use email.
What is the noise level of your cooling fan?
Noise level. I think if you want to use the high performance, the CPU fine speed will be set in 4. But if you don't need too high performance, you can reduce the speed. If the CPU speed set in 4 speed, it is about 30 to 45 noise level.
Okay, there's another question. When will the certification sheet be available?
Available now. We have the specification sheet. I will send you later. Any concern about the noise level? Yes, the noise level is about 30 to 45. I think is it's quite small.
If you think of any question later on, feel free to reach out to us by email at marketing@jhc.com.cn, and we are always happy to help. Okay. And now we reach the end of today's webinar. And it was nice to having you guys here. And I hope this webinar was helpful, and we look forward to seeing the BRAV-7823 in action with you soon. So if you like more product details or want to collaborate with us, don't hesitate to contact us at marketing@jhctech.com.cn. Also can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Okay. So once again, thank you for your time and interest in JHC's new products. And we hope to see you again very soon. Okay, have a great day.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.